What is dry ginger? Dry ginger is what dry ginger does. It does have many health benefits. Here we will learn about the dry ginger, what type of spice it is, how it is made, where you can buy or order dry ginger and so on. Dry ginger is a spice used widely in Asian cuisine. Think sushi and Chinese food, such as ginger beef. In this article one give you an overview of what dry ginger is, how it's made and what to do with it. Dry ginger is a spice made from the root of the zanjibar plant. The roots are washed and left to dry in the sun and wind. When dried they resemble a shriveled up carrot and it has a spicy flavor. Ginger is used in many dishes and desserts, but oftentimes it is used as an after-meal digestive aid. Dry ginger is a spice that has been used in cooking since 14th century. The thin, dry, reddish-brown rind can be ground into powder and used to add spicy flavor and aroma to culinary dishes. It is sprinkled on baked and roasted meats, added in spice rubs before grilling, or even mixed into batters and doughs. What makes dried ginger different from fresh ginger? Aside from the obvious differences in color, size, and texture, dried ginger also tastes different. Dry ginger or ginger that has been deprived of its juicy bits like the root, is coarsely ground and sold in small bags. It is mostly used in cooking meat and sometimes in soups, vegetable and other food items. The ginger adds more flavor to the food items along with some medicinal benefits. There are plenty of other spices in the ginger family, but dry ginger is preferred for its spicy taste. Ginger is an ancient form of spice. This dry ginger will give you more than just a hint of flavor. Grown in Sri Lanka, the hot weather makes better ginger. It tastes amazing with fish and chips. Enjoy this spicy food today. Ginger is a kind of dry spice which is made by grating the fresh ginger root and then it is dried. When people know about ginger, a great number of them love to use it in their cooking. Many recipes are ready to use with ginger. Adding this spice will make your meal special and people would love the unique flavor of your dish. There are a few types of ginger. One of them is cut ginger from China, Thailand and Vietnam, Indochina so on, where the others are dry style. I write about dry ginger here because it is popular in many countries like Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam and Cambodia, and it helps to improve our health by its natural power like cleansing and cleaning blood. The commercial production process of dry ginger goes through 3 steps. 1. Wash the roots of ginger. 2. Grate them. 3. Collect them in a friendly tone. Dry ginger has many medicinal uses, such as treating stomach disorders. In some cultures it is also used in other dishes, to add flavor and medicinal properties. The process of drying ginger makes it very convenient to carry and use later. Ginger is a spice made from the dried and ground underground stem of the ginger plant. Although it is often used as a seasoning in cooking, its properties are best known for its medicinal use. Ginger has been used in herbal medicine since ancient times, as both preventative and cure for gastrointestinal problems. It is also taken to relieve nausea and vomiting caused by motion sickness or morning sickness during pregnancy. Ginger is a spice that is derived from the dried, unpeeled ginger root of Zanzibar officinale. Ginger has been used for thousands of years in many countries to flavor food. In Chinese herbal medicine and in Ayurvedic medicine, ginger is used for stomach problems such as motion sickness and morning sickness. The history of ginger is an interesting one. Ginger is a root that acts as a spice and has been used for thousands of years to flavor food. Ginger has a curious history. Ginger is a popular spice that has been used for thousands of years. In India, the Ayurvedic school of medicine uses ginger for similar purposes. Ginger is a herbal remedy that has been used for thousands of years in many Asian countries as a food seasoning. It can also be used as an herbal remedy to treat stomach problems. Ginger has been grown in the Far East for thousands of years. Its uses have been countless, including flavoring food, as a medicine and ingredient to flavor Oriental drinks. When people think of ginger, they usually associate it with delicious food. It is also good for your stomach and digestive system. Ginger, or Zanzibar officinale, is a tropical flowering plant in the same family as turmeric. You may know it best for its spicy flavor and zingy aroma, but it's been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. Ginger has many medicinal uses. It's used to treat digestive problems and nausea, among other conditions. Ginger is one of the most versatile spices on earth. It can bring exceptional flavor to any dish, sweet or savory, and it can help alleviate an upset stomach. Ginger is also used in many cultures as a common remedy for cold symptoms. Ginger has been used since ancient times as both medicine and spice. It is related to cardamom and turmeric. The ginger plant is a tall perennial with green-purple flowers. The rootstock is the most important part of the plant. From this, we can derive the spice or grate it fresh into juice, tea or food. Spice up your life with ginger. The active ingredient in ginger, gingerol, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for many health conditions. Ginger is a root that is used for flavoring food, as medicine, and in perfumes. It's made into a beverage called ginger ale. Ginger is also sometimes used as an herbal remedy for the common cold. Ginger comes from the tropical ginger plant. The plant itself is tall and has dark green leaves. It grows in Asia, Africa, South America, and Oceania. Ginger is also known as ginger root, comes from the ginger plant. True spiced ginger should not be confused with the ground up and candied ginger, which is used in baking instead. Ginger is a rhizome that likes to grow in tropical areas of the world, where it usually grows underground. It likes humidity, heat and sunlight. In the market you can find fresh ginger. It will be a green stem that looks like a bunch of little fingers.